So we're leaving for Lonavala tomorrow for our shoot, and we're super excited. We've packed everything. We just have to leave tomorrow morning, but it's raining in Pune already. I don't know how it's going to be in Lonavala. I hope it turns out to be great.
We have packed all our stuff in this. All our kits are here that we will be taking with us. We have reached on our destination, and obviously the first thing that we did was have food. We have to shoot a lot of content, but it's raining so bad that I think it's gonna be very difficult to shoot. तो कुछ जुगाड़ करना पड़ेगा, कहीं ना कहीं जाके indoors ही shoot करना पड़ेगा, because it is raining heavily, like crazy rain. I will show you in.
I just want to sleep in my blanket. कुछ तो कर.
अभी रोमांटिक लग रहा है. आज बाल फंक्शन होता है अपना. We are off. Everybody is very tired. Super tired. आधे नहाए भी नहीं है.
आधे नहीं सारे.
कोई नहाए भी नहीं है. We'll go home. Hello, so we are back in Pune. We did not really get to shoot an outro because we were very tired and it was raining heavily. Whatever we planned उसमें से थोड़ा बहुत तो shoot हो चुका है. We could not really shoot a lot because of the rain, but rain को भी use करके हम लोग ने बहुत सारा content बनाया है. So if you want to see all of that, you can go follow us on Instagram. You will get to see all of the content there. And also subscribe to our channel. We will be posting a lot of vlogs and a lot of behind the scene videos as well. Like, comment, subscribe and do all the things, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.